How to track your orders on Temu. Tracking your orders on Temu is simple and can be done through the app or website. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Temu app. Make sure you are logged into your account if you have not already logged in. Once you're inside the Temu app, now all you have to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom right of the screen. You can see there is the U icon in the center of the bottom. Tap on it. And once you tap on the U icon, you will get to see your orders from the menu. Select your orders. Now inside your orders, browse your order list and simply select the order you want to track. Now all you have to do is tap on the order to see its status. You can see track option available. Simply tap on it. Now you can also see tracking status or tracking option available there. Now again tap on it and you can see tracking number and estimated delivery date. This order has already been delivered, so you can see all the tracking status from the beginning to the delivery. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.